Attention, my fellow seekers of brilliance. Have you ever wondered what truly sets apart the sharpest minds from the rest? Is genius an inborn gift? Or can you too unlock the secrets of extraordinary intelligence? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the minds of the elite, those who've mastered the art of thinking, innovating, and, ultimately, becoming smarter each day. The last habit is something your 5-year-old may even be way ahead of you with. Welcome, my friends, to this exploration of habits that can help you achieve greater intelligence. Number 1, ask questions. As the great philosopher Hans-Georg Gadamer once proclaimed, knowledge can only be with those who have questions. Don't let fear of looking foolish stifle your curiosity. As children, our inquisitiveness knows no bounds. Embrace that childlike wonder, ask questions, seek answers, and never stop learning. Challenge yourself to delve into topics that pique your interest, even if they seem complex at first. Number 2, read across genres. Your brain, my friends, is a powerful tool, and reading is the workout it craves. With the digital age at our fingertips, we have access to a treasure trove of knowledge. Don't squander your time on cat videos or mindless scrolling. Dive into books, scholarly articles, and lengthy, thought-provoking reads. Commit to a daily reading routine, no matter how small the step. Over time, your intellect will flourish. Number 3, surround yourself with brilliance. Your friends can be your greatest mentors. The company you keep shapes your thinking, so choose wisely. It's not about finding people smarter than you. It's about those who spark intriguing discussions and are trailblazers in their own right. Intellectuals possess a knack for nurturing their minds, and spending time with them can elevate your learning style. Number 4, take time to think. In a world filled with distractions, it's easy to jump from one task to another without grasping the essence of the information. Pause, reflect, and plan ahead. Smart individuals listen more and talk less, accomplishing more with fewer words. Number 5, exercise frequently. Don't underestimate the connection between physical fitness and intelligence. Your brain and body are inextricably linked. Regular exercise not only keeps you physically fit, but also instills discipline, a key factor in developing positive habits and acquiring new knowledge. Make time for physical activity, whether it's hitting the gym, jogging, or practicing yoga. Number 6, prioritize eating healthy. While glucose is a preferred brain fuel, a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is the key to powering your mental engine. Opt for whole grains, lean meats, nuts, fish, and dairy products. Unless, of course, any of those might literally send you to the hospital, avoid excessive junk food, which can lead to fatigue and long-term health issues. Number 7, keep a diary. Studies reveal that spending a few minutes each day reflecting and writing about your experiences enhances brain power. Your personal experiences and insights are invaluable. Documenting your thoughts not only boosts your intelligence, but also improves your language and communication skills. Number 8, do something new. Smart individuals aren't afraid to fail because they understand that practice is the key to mastery. Learning a new skill or tackling a challenge head-on can lead to extraordinary achievements. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the unknown. Number 9, apply and share new knowledge. The true value of learning lies in its application. Share your newfound wisdom with others, whether through discussions or online forums. Engaging in knowledge sharing enhances your understanding and broadens your horizons. Number 10, be selective. Smart people maintain deep and meaningful friendships rather than spreading themselves thin. Your circle of influence shapes your identity and priorities. Focus your attention on what truly matters, and you'll work more efficiently without unnecessary distractions. Number 11, take short breaks. In today's digital age, constant information bombardment can lead to cognitive burnout. Regular breaks are essential to maintain creativity and prevent mental exhaustion. Use this time to relax, meditate, exercise, or simply clear your mind. Number 12, learn to be organized. A cluttered environment disrupts focus and productivity. Organize your living and workspace to minimize distractions. Create structured folders on your devices and promptly tidy up your surroundings. Number 13, study behavior patterns. Smart individuals possess empathetic understanding. Analyze the motivations and perspectives of those around you. This effort not only enhances your social skills, but also aids in making informed decisions involving others. Number 14, be actively observant. Take a few moments daily to critically observe your surroundings. Pay attention to everyday interactions on local, interpersonal, and societal levels. This practice can reveal profound insights about the world around you. Number 15, sleep whenever you need to. Your brain processes information and strengthens memory during sleep. Prioritize ample rest as it directly impacts your attention, focus, and cognitive performance. Each person's sleep needs vary, so listen to your body. And as a bonus, number 16, play mind-stimulating games. Engage in games that challenge your creativity, imagination, and problem-solving skills. Crosswords, Sudoku, and other mental games are ageless and offer cognitive benefits. So there you have it, my fellow seekers of genius. These habits, when consistently practiced, become second nature, enriching your intellect and making you a true connoisseur of brilliance. Keep in mind that the journey to becoming smarter is a lifelong pursuit. Before you go, let us know which of these habits you believe will have the most profound impact on your journey toward greater intelligence. Until next time, my friends, continue your pursuit of excellence and remember, the path to genius is paved with these disciplined habits. See you next time, everyone, and stay inspired